Parents, if coughing won't stop, no, you're not imagining. This year's RSV and flu wave was stronger than expected. Children are catching infections faster, and unfortunately, they are staying sick longer. Early checks, hydration, chest checks, and early intervention can make a huge difference in the child's recovery. So if your child's fever won't go away or cough is lingering, please reach out. We are here to support you. It can make a big difference and make your child bounce back early.